Open addressing is a method to solve collision within hash table. It's also known as closed hashing. Double hashing uses a second hash function to resolve collisions. The result of the second hash function decides the step size. A popular second hash function is to apply a prime number smaller than table size. For example, assume a hashed table with a size 11. Store following values using the hash function k equals k modulo m. First input data 13, it returns the hash value 2. So it's stored at index 2. 23 in index 1, 22 in index 0, 16 in index 5. For 34, it's supposed to store at index 1. There is a collision. We apply a second hash function h2 equals 7 hk, where 7 is a prime number smaller than table size 11. Second hash function returns the hash value of 6. So 34 will be stored at the 6th position from the collision. Store in index 7. Summary. A good second hash function should support probing all the cells and it must never evaluate to 0. The double hashing requires fewer comparisons and drastically reduces the clustering. However, the performance degrades when the table fills up. Like, share, and subscribe.